Hi everyone, welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the flashlight on your iPhone. If you're new to iPhone or just want a quick and easy way to turn the flashlight on and off, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. To turn on the flashlight on your iPhone, start by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. This will open the Control Center menu. Here, tap on the flashlight icon and the flashlight will instantly turn on. If you want to adjust the brightness, press and hold the flashlight icon. You will see a slider appear on the screen. Slide your finger upward to make the flashlight brighter or downward to lower the brightness. The flashlight will continue working even if you lock your iPhone screen. When you want to turn the flashlight off, simply open the Control Center again and tap the flashlight icon one more time. You can also quickly access the flashlight directly from the lock screen. Just press and hold the flashlight icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen, and the flashlight will turn on immediately. And that's it. Now you know how to use the flashlight on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!